what you say. I just tried to fight. They don't throw no curves. I'm going white. We could just start a team.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing, today I'm installing a wig from Ashimary hair. Here's the beautiful packaging. This light blue is a whole vibe. The reason you see my hair out today is because today's wig is a V-part wig. Ooh. So they gave me a robe. Just doing a quick little unboxing here. We have, this is so cute. That's too cute. It's a necklace. Cute. We have an HD wig cap. HD wig caps are the best, by the way. If you want that nice melt and blend on your forehead when you're about to do like a full glue on wig, HD wig caps, baby. They also packed in some lashes and a melt band, a razor if you need to cut off some lace, but since we have a V-part wig, we ain't gotta deal with it today. And of course, the wig. So this V-part wig is 24 inches long. V-part wigs are made with the V shape. This is the area where you'll be leaving your hair out. We have two combs right there at the beginning of the V part, two combs on the side, one that's right there at the back of the V part. I don't ever really use that one, but it's there if you need that extra clip. We have a comb in the back, and we also have adjustable bands. And this is a body wave wig. Beautiful curls are already in the wig once you get it. Nonetheless, the wig is gorgeous and it looks pretty full, by the way, for it to be a V-part wig. So Ashimary has a little card in there for you to know how to take care of your unit. So let's go ahead and get her installed. I'm excited. It's a V part, but I'm wondering if I could try. I'm gonna try to do a side part. Let's get the wig installed.
Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Ocean under them more alarm. Any jeans with a gun. Play with me, it's a whole war. Ain't finished a
hair all sorted out. I did some loose curls because I didn't like how tight they were. So I went over them with my flat iron and my wand to give them more of a loose, carefree look. So now we can style my leave out. I left out as minimal as possible. You can see that it's just a little V-part section of hair. And I think we'll start off first with the middle. So I'm gonna just scoop a little of this to the back so we can cover here. And then I'm gonna just bring it down the middle right here to style the front. And all I'm going to do is go over the front of my hair a little bit. I'll add a little bit of oil. Right now it looks like a little bit of standoffish from the weave. We want it to blend a little bit better. So I'm just going to take a little bit of oil on my ends. So that way it will fall and blend into the hair a little bit better. I went ahead and added some oil there. My hair is freshly washed and blow dried, by the way. And I'm gonna just hit it a little bit with my flat iron, add a little curl. Or I might even do this. I don't know if this will work. Oh yeah, see that? Ooh, come on, blend. Oh, wait a second now. I was not expecting that. Y'all, I be over here trying stuff sometimes and it just like, it flows and it works. Like, dang. It looks cute. Same thing over here. Give it a little extra heat right there on the ends. Come on, baby girl. With the sleigh. Now, my hair looks pretty damn good, I'll have to say. We even have coverage on the back. Nice little bit of density and height with my hair. Now my hair doesn't look super flat. Wow. This looks pretty natural. What do you think of the final look? I'm gonna try to do a little side part too. But this looks good. I like it.
Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Alright you guys, so if you're looking for a V-part wig, make sure you check out Ashimary Hair. I'm going to have the direct link in my description bar below. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Ashimary Hair for sending today's unit over. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.
You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses.